Well, welcome everybody. I wanted to say a few words of appreciation for the beautiful plants on the OSU campus. I find my life here gets a little frenzied sometimes. I'm too busy. I rush from one thing to another. I forget to look around and appreciate the birds flying over and the plants in bloom. One day this plant, the Rhododendron occidentale, stopped me in my tracks, and I was so grateful to it I wrote a little poem. So I want to share that with you right now. It's called A Vow. Sometimes the speed of campus unnerves me. Fascinating people buzz in and out of my life, fast as wasps. They hand out brilliant insights, and I wolf them down like candy, like greasy fries, badly digested. Days go by when I'm calendar whipped, bullied by clock obligations. But one spring day, a decade ago, my best friend died, and I needed a refuge. Walking across the quad, I stuck my schnoz into a pale salmon blossom and breathed. Salvation. The western azalea, Rhododendron occidentale, big bushes at the corners of the MU quad and here by Gilkey Hall. One of the most pervasive fragrances in this world of strife and flowers. Piquant, like cinnamon, with a thin mountain zing. And I made a vow, mostly kept these 10+ years, to never pass this flower by without sniffing it. If I'm a little late for our next meeting, I hope you'll understand where I am.
They took out the rhododendrons and they replaced them with gravel. Rhododendrons that my grandmother saw when she was going to school. They're not here anymore.
That's so sad. Would you sign our petition to preserve the rhododendrons of OSU campus?
Yes, I will. Thank you. Stop this from happening. Sign the petition to stop the removal of rhododendrons.
They keep removing them for construction and other purposes.
Oh, absolutely. I love them. I mean, we were just talking about them earlier today, how, especially these are such mature plants, and so, I mean, look.
It's almost as old as some of these buildings. Or,
Appreciate you doing that.
thank you. And they do provide a role for bees. I mean, how many bees do you think are just right here?
Well, it's hard to see at any given time, but they probably are at least 40, 50 bees in every, single moment of time now, just So if you think about, and this is totally again off your topic, but the 50,000 bees that died on the linden trees in Wilson Target parking lot, it's a very sad moment. But where else in the world would there be 50,000 dead bees in one parking lot? That tells you that we have a lot of bees in Oregon. Just that alone. I can count, and I can't say there's 50,000 here, but there could be, It's very hard when you're smoking to be able to see all those bees. But especially if you kill, the way they died, you can tell you weren't counting the same one again. So that's a lot of bees. That was just amazing in terms of, well, sad what happened, but it did tell us, it documented that we have good populations.
Why do I like rhododendron? Simply because it's a way of life. We love them because they're there for us.